welcome to Vlogmas Day 12! We are now at 13 more days. I am working on uploading yesterday's video. It is processing, and as soon as it's processed, it will be ready to be posted. I am making Vlogmas Day 11 public and save. It is public. I am about to head over to my mom's, but I want to put on a little bit of makeup. The only thing I'm gonna do is some sunscreen and just put a little bit of something on my eyes so that I feel put together. I'm gonna jam out to music, so I'm gonna put y'all on time lapse.
I've been waiting all year for my Christmas gifts, making a list. Shiny, wrapped up in a bow, something just for me, baby, you're my wish. What my heart is longing for now, what I really want to see, what I really want underneath my Christmas tree. Getting caught up in the spirit, knowing that it's coming soon. Pretty red and green tinsel all around the room.
Hold on, wait for it.
Oh, I look like doo-doo though. I do. I have no makeup on.
You look cute. Here's my aunt.
The Neiman Marcus cookies.
Ooh. So my mom was putting on makeup and I just found this old lipstick that I had and she had it somehow. I'm gonna put it on because it's really pretty and I remember it and I love it, so I'm gonna put it on.
We don't want to give away
cilantro.
Oh yeah, we don't want to give away. Anyway,
Yeah, that's okay.
basically, it's cranberry and cheese and just like spicy.
Just call it.
It's like a mix. It's a mix of flavors.
Yes.
And it's delicious. It's like sweet and spicy and salty.
Cranberry crack dip.
Everything. And I'm picky, but I like it. Mmm. It's so good. Look how good it is. Oh, it looks so pretty on the camera.
Oh my
gosh. Wait for it to focus.
It's like a Christmas dip.
It's so pretty.
Flat hair is not in anymore.
No, I wear big poofy hair every day and everybody knows it.
Yeah.
So we are about to go to the store to get some groceries because my aunt is here and she is an amazing cook and she's going to cook some food. Joy to the world. Joy to the world. All the boys and girls. She left us. We are here to get groceries. I used to be so scared to film in public like this, but now I don't care.
It was run, run, Rudolph, and I was running.
I say, hey! My best friend called.
What's up, y'all?
Perfect timing.
Do we need anything else?
Golden hour.
That vein. All the seasonings and the butter. That's good. dress pants and stuff that I can't wear. But I had what was funny, but there we go. You don't even have to put garlic on this stuff. All you have to do is, see?
Go.
Here's your
Ask him what his batting average was.
Let me flip this over. There you go.
Why are you that common person who always ruins videos?
I'm sorry. Is
Just
that rude?
kidding. I'm just kidding.
I'm so sorry.
Look how yummy! My Aunt Adrian is an amazing cook! Run, run, Rudolph.
Okay. You still do the farm thing?
I got mail!
Yay!
A new
It's awesome!
Oh!
Okay.
A box. Okay.
Yeah, but look and see what it is. It is police grade mace.
Ooh! A mace! I need it.
And it's police grade.
I've got mace in my purse, but it's
That is your
one of the
mace?
ones from Walmart.
Now you, especially when you go to school.
The only thing is I can't.
No.
Oh, it should have been a onesie. That would have been funny.
Stop. How is it?
It looks like it feels amazing.
You always wear those with like your
Yeah.
workout pants and stuff.
Oh my gosh.
so-
So I'm ready to style it in the video.
Yeah, I love the colors of it.
Around the house.
Made it.
Yeah, he handmade it.
child. You can't put it on your sled. You know me so well, but nobody else.
Whoa. Oh, I'm sorry. Law came over to my house to spend the night,
Of course not.
and he took over my desk and my monitor
What even you had a bunch of crap on the desk.
because I wasn't even using it yet, so it's fine.
Oh my goodness.
He's gonna sleep on the new couch.
Yay.
I have to be quiet because my brother is asleep, but I just wanted to come on here and let you all know that I'm going to bed. I spent time with my brother and now I'm just gonna go to bed and edit this video in the morning. This is the end of Vlogmas Day 12. Today was so fun. It was so nice to see my family and spend time with my family, and I really enjoyed it. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I love you all very much, and I'll see you in the morning. Bye.
I've been waiting all year for my Christmas gifts.